Prohibition of riba in Quran. The first revelation, Surah Al-Rum, verse 39. That which you give as interest to increase the people's wealth increases not with God, but that which you give in charity, seeking the goodwill of God, multiples manifold. Second revelation, Surah An-Nisa, verse 161. And for their taking interest, even though it was forbidden for them, and their wrongful appropriation of other people's property, we have prepared for those among them who reject faith a grievous punishment. Third revelation, Surah Al Imran, verse 130. O believers, take not double and redouble interest, and fear God, so that you may prosper. Fear the fire which has been prepared for those who reject faith, and obey God and the Prophet, so that you may receive mercy. Fourth revelation, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 275 to 281. Those who benefit from interest shall be raised like those who have been driven to madness by the touch of the devil. This is because they say trade is like interest, while God has permitted trade and forbidden interest. Hence, those who have received the domination from their Lord and desist may keep their previous gains, their case being entrusted to God, but those who revert shall be inhabitant of the fire and abide therein forever. Verse 276. God deprives interest of all blessing, but blesses charity. He loves not the ungrateful sinner. Verse 277. Those who believe, perform good deeds, establish prayer, and pay the zakat, their reward is with their Lord. Neither should they have any fear, nor they shall grieve. Verse 278. O believers, fear Allah, and give up what is still due to you from the interest usury, if you are true believers. Verse 279. If you do not do so, then take notice of war from Allah and His Messenger. But if you repent, you can have your principal. Neither should you commit injustice, nor should you be subjected to it. Verse 280. If the debtor is in difficulty, let him have respite until it is easier. But if you forego out of charity, it is better for you if you realize. Verse 281. And fear the day when you shall be returned to the Lord, and every soul shall be paid in full what is earned, and no one shall be wronged. So these was the verses in Quran for the prohibition of riba.